Hello, my name is Peter from Sun Insurance Agency, and today I'm going to do a video to talk about how you prepare if you want to start a new business venture in trucking for hire. A lot of calls I'm receiving when people want to buy insurance and they don't know where to start from, whether to purchase a truck, to shop for insurance, and the costs involved in starting this business. So today, I'm going to do this video and highlight some of the few things you need to prepare before you put yourself out there to start this business. At the end of this video, if you like the video, please consider to subscribe. Okay, first of all, if you want to start an expedited business, you have to set aside amount of money which you can use to prepare to go to the road. The first thing, you have to set up your own authority, and that's filing for a DOT number and an EMS number. And then for the other startup costs, you need to come up with a plan on how your business is gonna look like. If you are a starter, my own opinion, you can start with one unit. Start with one truck. It doesn't matter which one truck, but for me, I would start with a Sprinter front or a box truck. And after that, shop for the truck you like and know the price and make sure that the truck is within your price range. Don't buy something or don't plan to buy something and forget about the other costs which will come as you are running your business. So after you identify the kind of truck you want, and then you look for the BOC3. I did a video about the BOC3 and setup. That one is going to cost you about $35 to do that. And also in setting up a company, when you register with your state to get your name LLC or whatever name you call it, it's going to cost you about $100 to set it up. The EMS number and the DOT number, they cost $300. And this one you can do from the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration website. You can do it yourself, or if you are not comfortable, you can find a servicing company to do it for you. And then after that, you have to look for an insurance agent who will be shopping for you for the required coverage. This is where you're going to need liability insurance for your truck. And the minimum in most states is 750 combined single limit. So you don't need 1 million at this point. You just need the minimums to set your company. And that, depending on your zip code and where you are, and so many other factors, that will determine how much you will be paying per month. But if I give you a number like a ballpark number, get prepared between $800 to $1,000 for a box truck. And if it's a Sprinter, between $480 to $700 a month. So from there, you can adjust your budget as you go by. And then that's for the insurance. And then remember, there's registration and the plates. That one, depending on what state you are, they might run you about $300 to $500. And then your vehicle you have to do an inspection for your vehicle. You take it to a shop whereby they service it and they give you a sticker. The truck, as you already know, that the inspection, when you are stopped, the inspector, they look at if your vehicle is properly serviced. You need to have that. And then if you are driving a box truck, you're going to need the decals or the signs to put on the doors from outside your company with your company name, MC number, and the DOT number to identify yourself when you are crossing state lines. And then you have to think about if you are going to drive the vehicle by yourself, then you need to think about paying yourself as a driver. Or if you are going to hire a driver and agree with the driver what kind of percentage you're going to give them. Most people, they give anything from 20% to 30%. Or if you're going to split 50-50 for everything, that one will depend on the agreement you have with the owner. And then, of course, you have to invest in the GPS, a good GPS which you can use to navigate the roads. And then good GPS can be anything from $200 to $300. And the money you're going to be paying for the tolls. And if you are going to have a dispatch company, they can dispatch you, give you loads, and they take a commission out of that, every load they give you. Or if you want to dispatch yourself, you have to pay for a load board. I know selectors, I've talked to other carriers, they use selectors, which they pay anywhere from $265 a month to $300 a month, depending on when you signed up. And if you add the totals, this one will give you an idea, like how much money you're gonna need to start this kind of business. And if you are planning to take a loan, this is a very good roadmap which can tell you that to weigh in and make a decision if you have enough money to start the business or not. Because if you don't have enough cash flow, you're going to be stuck somewhere. You're going to take one load from here all the way to Texas, and when you come back, you are on the road and you don't have enough gas, or if your vehicle breaks on the road, you don't have enough money in the bank to do the repairs. So what I wanted you to learn from this video, those ones who want to start the new business, come up with a very robust plan on how to approach this kind of business. It's kind of tricky. People can tell you that there's a lot of money out there, and you may think it's a lot of money, but there are some hidden costs involved in this kind of business. So if you like this video, like I said before, please consider to subscribe. And I'm an expert in truck insurance business. If you need insurance, give me a call, both truck insurance and personal auto insurance coverages. Give me a call at 608-622-1228. And I cover Wisconsin, Illinois, Georgia, and Delaware. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.